Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I am going to be cooking some chickens on the big green egg with the Western lump charcoal. I'm going to be using the diverter plate, so we're going to see how that works with the lump charcoal. Well, with the chicken and the lump charcoal. And you guys saw me go into Sam's earlier. You guys saw me get the chicken. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut up, and then I'll get it seasoned. I'm gonna use some more of the Cosmos Q seasoning. I think I'm gonna, we'll do the Dirty Bird and then the Hot Dirty Bird, or the Spicy Dirty Bird, or whatever it is. But we're gonna do the Dirty Bird seasoning on the chicken. And like I said, I'm gonna get it cut up. All right, slight change of plans. I'm gonna be using the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee, only because I've used up way more of the Dirty Bird than I thought. So we're gonna try this one on the chicken today, and we're gonna see what it does. Alright, so yeah, this is where we are right now, and due to some technical difficulties, I was unable to actually get the start of me cooking the chicken on the egg with the diverter plate on camera. So now, what I'm actually getting ready to do, I would like to crisp the skin up on this chicken. It's already hit the temperature I needed to hit, and I really just want to get the skin the way that I need it to be, or would like it to be. So I took the diverter plate out, and you see the grill is starting to come up and start screaming. So let's try to get this on here quickly and see if we can get the chicken to look a little better. Oh, dangerous. Last one. Now the chicken is done. It has hit the temp I wanted to hit. I need that skin to crisp up a little bit more. So all the juices, as you can see from the chicken, we're running clear, which is good. So we're just gonna sit this out here for a couple minutes and let the skin crisp up just a smidge, and then we'll take it in and dinner will be done. I wish you guys could see there we go, there's a little, but it's difficult. It doesn't come off on camera as it does, you know, in real life, IRL. But let's see what this is looking like. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Yes indeed. just want a good char. I'm sorry. I just want a good char. Like, that's pretty decent. The problem is there's a lot of sugar in that rub. So these are more or less going to be a casualty. You guys blackened. Ow! I just flung some of the juices out on me. That kind of hurt. It just opened up. Alright. What? Actually pretty good. Huh. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and give those another 30 seconds or so. Alright. These guys off. Whoa. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. Close the daisy wheel just to bring the temperature down. When it finally climbs all the way up, it's smoke is rolling at about 450, 500 right now. But we're gonna take these inside. Okay, and what are you gonna say?
Make sure you subscribe.
Okay.
Give a thumbs up.
Alright, so let's try this again. It's subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you like. Bye.
Alright, so that was my daughter. She always wants to help whenever she catches me filming the video. So just like she said, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw, if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up down below. And leave a comment, if you have any other questions. And I'll see you next time.